Hey guys, so I am starting off on a wash and go. This is a couple of days old. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair directly down the middle. I do have a front part, so I would hope that it would be easy, but of course I'm not using a mirror, so who knows what's happening in the back. I'm going to try to get that as straight as possible, then I'm going to section one side off. For my styler of choice, I am going to be using the As I Am Long and Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie Curl Defining Cream. It smells absolutely amazing, so I'm going to take a little bit of that and I'm going to smooth that into the section. I could have done a better job at smoothing that in, but what I'm now going to do is I'm going to just separate a small section and begin flat twisting the back of my hair. Now, this is a cute and easy way for me to make this, my traditional puff, look a little more like an updo. I feel like the flat twist really helped to, make it a little spicier than it normally is. So like I said in my previous video, I am not an expert when it comes to flat twisting. It's me pretty much doing enough so that I can get the job done. I do apologize for leaning forward so much and being out of frame. However, I'm not sure why I started bending over so much. Probably because I was on like a rhythm and counting it in my head, so I just happened to be leaning forward much more than I needed to. So I'm gonna flat twist that about halfway, a little above my ear. Then I'm gonna secure this section with a rubber band. The rubber bands that I am using are just a clear band. I didn't have any other color because I normally don't use or style my hair in a manner that would require me to have rubber bands. However, I'm going to use some clear ones and I'm just going to secure that section, and then I'll begin styling the remainder of my hair. Alright, so after I finish securing this section, I am going to do my second flat twist off camera just to speed it up a little bit. Now I'm going to begin forming my puff, and the first thing I'm going to do is mist my hair with a little bit of water, and I find that misting my hair with a little bit of water when I start brushing, it really helps to make it a little more pliable and easier to move so that there's no damage or as little damage as possible. So after I mist my hair with water, I am going to apply a little bit of my As I Am Long and Luxe Edge Control and just begin smoothing the front portion of my hair as well as around my ears. Now I'm going to take my giant band and begin securing my puff. I love these bands when I do my puffs because they really hold the hair into place, and my puff really sits the way I want it to sit. They are a little tight at first, so I definitely suggest stretching them out a bit before using them. Now I am going to add a few hair jewels to my twist. Now, I really don't know what to call these, but they were a big deal last year especially, and I've been holding mine since Curlfest so that I can, find another style to use them for. So I found that, this would be a perfect opportunity. The one that I'm adding now has a purple jewel on the end. It is so cute. It's probably my favorite, especially because it's purple and it reminds me of my birthstone. But, that's neither here nor there. So now I'm just going to finish fluffing my puff until I achieve my desired height, volume, and look. And I like to do this, like I said, until I get the result that I am looking for. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I really hope that you all enjoyed this spicy puff updo look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.